Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to send money on Revolut or how to transfer the money. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video. And now let's get started. So you're going to open up your Revolut application and you're going to be redirected to this homepage. After that, you're going to click transfers. This is where you can send money. After that, you're going to be redirected to this page and you're going to see all of your contacts here. But I'm just gonna choose new right there. If you want to choose a new person to send money from to. Now after that, you're gonna choose a transfer. So you can either choose Revolut friend, bank recipient, card recipient, group, send the money international, donate, and so on. So for example, I'm going to choose bank recipient, and after that I have to enter all the account details. So like the country recipient's account is in, the currency, the IBAN number, first and last names, and so on. After I will do that, I can send the money. Now to send the money to a Revolut friend, you're just going to choose Revolut friend. Then you can also look at how to add a Revolut friend. As you can see, there's a few options. Now, when I am on the chat with my Revolut friend, I can click on send button. After that, I can choose the money I want to transfer for my friend. Then I can choose some gifts, for example, this one. And then you're gonna, of course, enter the money you want to send and click on send. And that's basically it. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.